And good morning, everyone. It's about 12:28 a.m. here and across the viewing area. We have a few severe thunderstorm warnings we want to touch on for you real quick. The first one is across parts of Price County. It's in effect until 12:45 a.m. These storms are capable of producing 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The newest storm that's developed across parts of Oneida County within the last little bit is a severe thunderstorm warning up until 1:15 a.m. And again, that storm is capable of producing 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-size hail and frequent lightning too. We've had some impressive lightning taking place here at the station. So let's kind of talk about these here a little bit. This is the first warning that we're seeing. It's about out of Price County. The southern part of the county is seeing some good rain right now, maybe a little bit of hail too. And here's where the action is currently at in parts of Oneida County. Again, that latest warning is up until 1:15. Let's talk about the speeds of these storms. So moving to the east, both of them are at around 50 miles per hour. This is the one in Price County. The one in Oneida County also moving to the east at around 50 miles per hour. And it's packing a little bit of a punch. Look at this. They're kind of intensifying as they track off to the east. We've had plenty of moisture with the dew points today and warm temperatures. This is plenty of fuel for the fire. And that's why we're seeing them developing even at 12:30 in the morning. So let's bring up the hail tracker here a little bit. We're really kind of seeing the latest with the storms, and the hail, they're kind of pulsing up and down. The latest little pulse up is near Little Rice. So if you live near that, be ready for a little bit of hail with these storms as they currently track off to the east. So again, let's kind of zoom things out and give you a little bit of the big picture. We're seeing all these storms, and really the biggest of the severe storms is in parts of Oneida County and again in Price County with the two warnings. We've had a few significant weather advisories that have also been issued with these storms. That means it's that first step below severe weather, which means they're capable of packing a punch, but nothing too major in that regard. So again, the latest, we're seeing a lot of lightning in parts of Vilas County too. So again, these storms will continue to intensify for a little bit. So again, let's kind of zoom things out and kind of reiterate things here. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for the counties highlighted there in pink. That is in effect until 5 a.m. So we have quite a little bit to go yet. The good news is the warnings are limited, but we kind of have gotten things to develop just enough. We're going to see things kind of get a little busy for just a little while. So again, as we look at the radar again, we're seeing all of these tracking off due east pretty quickly. So they're going to pack a punch in a hurry. So if you have anything outside, be careful with the lightning, but secure them down now. Maybe get the vehicles inside if you can. But lightning, not a very good situation. Let's kind of take account here with how much lightning. This is within the past 10 minutes here. So I'm going to take a look at mainly at Oneida County first. About 110 lightning strikes within the past 10 minutes. So not a major amount of lightning, but we're seeing a good amount of lightning, which indicates a very intensifying thunderstorm. And just like that, they just dropped the thunderstorm warning for parts of Price County, but still seeing a good amount of lightning there in that regard. Around 102 lightning strikes within the past 10 minutes. So again, we're seeing plenty of lightning. Let's pull up our sky cam here, and we're seeing plenty of lightning with this. You can see just that flash here within the last little bit. We're seeing almost continuous cloud to ground lightning. This is our sky cam facing off to the west, and that flashing is because we're seeing plenty of lightning, and that's kind of the big danger on top of heavy rain. So we have hail, we have gusty winds, we have lightning, plenty of stuff we need to be keeping an eye on. So again, let's recap things here real quick, and then we'll send you back to programming. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for parts of Oneida County, and that storm will expire at 1:15 a.m. The National Weather Service indicated the storm is capable of producing 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail, moving to the east pretty quickly at around 50 miles per hour. So again, if you live in Little Rice, you're getting hit hard right now. Minocqua, you're probably going to be seeing some of this in a little bit. Rhinelander, be ready. It's coming up on your doorstep. Zooming in, we're seeing Monaco, Enterprise, Three Lakes. You're not quite in the warning yet, but I would keep an eye on this because this will be hitting you within the next little while. Throw the radar in motion real quick. It's moving due east, so most if not all of Oneida County will see something from this system. Stay tuned to WJFW for the latest, but for now, back to programming.